Welcome to the Aino tutorial series where we're going to teach you how to become an expert in GIS analysis. Today, we're going to show you a high-level overview of the Aino interface and how it works. By the end of this series, you'll be able to make your own map in Aino in just minutes.
To begin, visit aino.world and log into your account. On the homepage, you will see three options: Interactive Map, Agents, and API. In this tutorial series, we're going to focus on the Interactive Map feature. On the left side of the screen, we have the chat interface where you can chat with the AI, and on the right-hand side, we can see a list of layers. At the bottom, there are 6 tools that let you customize your map even further. You can see what each tool is by hovering your cursor over each icon. Now let's build a simple map that calculates the length of my daily walk through a beautiful park here in Barcelona, Ciutadella Park. Let's start by dropping a pin on the park. With the polygon tool, we can draw the borders of the park, and we can use the route tool to measure the length of my walk from one side to the other. If you take a look at the right-hand side of the interface, the pin, the park boundary, and the route are each in a separate layer, which is helpful for data management. The background tool at the bottom lets you choose between different base maps, create custom map backgrounds, or even just put a solid color backdrop behind your analysis. When we toggle the 3D option, it automatically shows a 3D view of the area. Use the compass or right-click and drag to see the 3D view. Right now, the project is saved automatically, and you can add comments on your map by just clicking the comment button at the bottom. We can change the title, put a description, and create a custom thumbnail, and the updated title and thumbnail are visible on the homepage. Stick around because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the chat function.